Hello everyone, today we're going to be making creamy mac and cheese using an Anyday in just your microwave. I'll be your host for the day. My name is Taryn McCallan. I am actually not a cook, I'm an actor, so we're going to be learning this together. But I'm really excited for this meal because it's really quick, it's really efficient, and for someone who really doesn't have a lot of time on their hands, this sounded perfect. So, of course, we have our Anyday large deep dish bowl, and for this recipe, actually, you don't need your lid. So you can take that off nice and carefully and place it to the side. So of course, we have our macaroni, so we can pour that in. Then we can add our water. And then with salt, feel your way through it. For me, I think I'm just gonna do about 3 pinches of it. Then just give it a quick stir, and it's ready to go into the microwave. We're gonna be putting this in the microwave for 10 minutes. So we have just a few moments before our food is done, and I've been thinking, how do I want to spend this? And I kind of just want to sing a song. I haven't sung a song in a while, so let me think. I guess I could sing this one. Cool threads, moves that get him staring, a turner of heads, cool beyond comparing, bringing the pride with the spring in his stride and a fistful of style. What are we thinking? Sure. Yay, nay?
Josh, what do you think? That was really good, Taryn.
See,
Really
you know you can believe it when he says it. What a nice guy, what a great talent. Thank you so much, Josh. Oh, perfect. Time to grab our bowl with our Anyhand mitts. Now that we have it out of the microwave, we can start putting in more ingredients. So we have our butter right here. We can put right in. We have our cheese, our pepper. Now we're getting to our evaporated milk. Perfect. Now before we get to our fun part of stirring, we're gonna put more pinches of salt. Perfect. Now this is the point in the recipe where you really need to stir, and don't worry if your sauce is looking not how you imagined it, just keep stirring. It's really gonna thicken up. Just really put some elbow grease into it and it'll look great in no time. Now once you're done stirring, you'll see that your meal is thick, it looks creamy, the macaroni just looks absolutely delicious like mine, and then, you know, it's time to start eating. So we're gonna get our bowl and start serving. See, I don't know if I have enough for the whole crew because this looks delicious and I am hungry. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Wow, that is delicious. It's just so much richer than in the box, and gosh, you can really taste everything. Well, that's all the time that we have today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you're curious, we have hundreds of recipes on our website, cookanyday.com. Again, my name is Taryn McCallan. I was your host for the day, and I hope you have a great meal, and I hope to see you again. Take care. Bye. Yeah. Sorry, Chris, this is all for me.